Okay, Sounds of Decay 1 is Necrophobic's new album, In the Twilight Gray. So, while it's kind of a bummer that there are no more sacramentums or dissections anymore, the spark that those bands created spurned some remarkably reliable monikers in the realm of Swedish black metal, from Marduk to Unleashed to the legendary five-piece known as Necrophobic. Since their revered debut, The Nocturnal Silence, the sound of this band has become as timeless as the denim, leather, and chains that adorn them. Listening to these 10 songs that balance pummeling blasts, thrilling guitar solos, and Anders Stokirk's ever-present vocal rasp, I do regret missing them at MDF a couple of years back. We opted for Deicide at the Edison lot instead. I mean, they were playing the entire Legion record. What would you have done? Flawlessly produced by longtime Necrophobic engineer Frederick Fulker, In the Twilight Gray is the band's 10th record, coming 4 long years after 2020's Dawn of the Damned record. These songs simply bound from the speakers with lavish, clean-picked intros and segs, thundering power chords, and majestic twin harmonies in a deft weave.
While there is still plenty of brimstone to the lyrics and air of sophistication has developed, less fuck your god and more mentions of wolves, funeral pyres, and castle ruins. Really
diabolical masonry.
Really fascinating imagery. Take Clavis Infernae as an example, a track that calls out Eurycus, the winged serpent, roaming the eastern wind, and Paimon, the horned cat, a feline demon walking the west in black, among others. Of course, there are no weak moments, but standouts are plentiful. Slower tempo chuggers like As Stars Collide and Nordans Wind provide a clear canvas for epic guitar expressions from the tandem of Sebastian Ramstedt and Johann Bergebach. There is no sleeping on the speedballs either, as the leads and Mirrors of a Thousand Lakes are dizzying and full of hooks, incorporating a dreamy harmonized melodies into the proceedings before settling into a crushing mid-pace. Stokirk urging, burn, burn, burn. The only puzzling thing about the album is the final instrumental track, Ascension, episode 4, as I could not figure out what happened to the first 3 episodes.
Extensive online research.
At any rate, these guys make it sound easy, and the artwork by Fearfing frontman Jens Ryden is totally badass and a departure from their last few satanic architecture themes. Grab your chains and your oversized hourglass and have a go, people.
I nearly broke my finger getting that copy of that shirt. I love the artwork. Wow, it's awesome.
I guess their hourglass keeps running away if they keep it on a chain.
It's awesome. Yeah, anyway, so this song is called Clavis Infernae.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.